Hello there, friends. Danny here from Danny's Dreams. Welcome back to my channel, and I am so glad you are here for 4 on Friday. If you're new to my channel, this is a little collaboration that my friend Alicia, also known as Call Me Crafty Al, and I do together. We each pick a theme, a product, or a technique, and we create 4 things with that. And then we share and surprise each other with what we made. For my 4 on Friday today, I decided to use the Arctic Winter box of the month from Not Too Shabby. You can see all the products that I used here. I did add some dies and stuff, but these are all the things that came in the box of the month. I will have everything listed below that from the box of the month and that I used. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments. And also make sure that you click on over and see what Alicia created for her 4 on Friday too, because I know it will be amazing. So on to my creations. My first card used these cute little bears. I cannot get over the cuteness of them. And I used some of the papers and I stamped on there the Hello Winter. For the coloring of the bears, I did use my Copics, and I added texture using the Copic Colorless Blender. I will link my tutorial in the description box on how I do that. It is one of my favorite techniques, and I think I probably use it on almost every card. It's so funny to me because I used to only color people because I didn't think that I did a good job at animals, and now I absolutely love coloring animals. Now that I found this technique, it just makes it so easy. One thing about this stamp set that I really thought was so unique is there's a little stamp to do these little cheeks, and how perfect and cute is that? You don't have to worry about like coloring. I mean, I could, but I just love that there's a little stamp for their little cheekies. So there's my first card, Hello Winter. Moving on to the next one, I decided to do a slimline. And as I sat down and I looked at the stamp set, I thought, oh my goodness, how fun would it be to paper piece all those little critters? And so that's what I did. I really, really like how it turned out. Something a little different. Kind of has like a magical effect, I think. The die is from Whimsy Stamps. And again, the paper and the stamp are from Not Too Shabby. Your dreams come true. Those critters are so cute. And like I said, I just love how they look being paper pieced. And it just makes the whole card kind of all flow together nicely. That was my second card. My third card, I have never used ephemera before, or if I have, maybe a long time ago in scrapbooking. I didn't even know what it was until I started watching some Not Too Shabby videos, especially by Alicia. But on the Not Too Shabby video YouTube channel, the design team members have all used a lot of the ephemera, and I thought it was a really neat way to do a quick card. And so that's what I decided to do, is I used some of the ephemera. I liked this little polar bear and the polar bear paper and how all the colors and everything just match. And I really like how easy it was to put together, and it just turned out cute. So let it snow. And if you know me, I don't like summer. Okay, I take that back. I don't mind summer. I don't like being hot. I like the cold and the snow, so I am definitely wanting it to snow. I know that is not a popular opinion, but I do like it. And then on to my last card. This set was so much fun. This bear making his little snow angels. When life throws you, snow makes snow angels. I just thought that was so cute. I used a My Favorite Things edger die to just kind of add a little bit of that paper there. And I just love how that turned out. It's pretty simple, but he's a larger image, and so it kind of lets him shine. So there are all 4 of my cards for this 4 on Friday. Like I said, everything will be linked below. Make sure you head on over and check out what Alicia created. And if you like what you see, I hope you'll consider subscribing to my channel. Click the bell for notifications. And I will be back tomorrow with my Saturday showcase video, which shows all the creations that I made throughout the week. And until then, go do something crafty for yourself, get crafty, go crafty shopping, or just sit back and relax. Have a wonderful, fabulous day.